Welcome back, my beautiful ladies. So, like 6 or 5 days ago, I was listening to one podcast and I see this guy. Since I have seen that guy in the internet, he doesn't used to wear clothes, and I don't used to listen to what he's saying because sometimes I do mindless scrolling when I'm in the on bed scratching my husband, but I just do mindless. I don't put the volume on. So anytime I see him, I always scroll quickly because he was always topless. So when this matter was happening, I was like, anyway, if you don't know GehGeh, this guy built his empire, like his social media money on advising men. It's like an institute for men not to marry. They should just have children, have baby mamas, and not take any nonsense from any babe. You know, that is how he made his money. Like people know him worldwide. And anytime I think of the case like this, what comes to my mind is, fella music, like them be leaders. As you see them, like he's a teacher, like you see him, he comes in different disguise. Anima in human skin. I mean, Anima is wearing suit. Anima they wear agbada. Anima, those fella music used to come to mind. If you don't know Fela is like a legendary musician that, like really opposed to the government and everything. So I was listening to this podcast, like I said, excuse me. And this guy went on with his ratting, like, is he ranting? Like Pella, love Jarvis more, Jarvis chose. Of course, if you don't know Jarvis, their picture and Pella, they will appear here. It's like a young couple that got married, that they are married. I think they did their wedding today. So I think when he's seen that the thing is going well, that they have sealed the knot, like the knot is sealed because they had their engagement, picture, wedding, and then they have, like before today, he now released the video of him getting married. My thinking is, that's not the day he got married or anytime around this day. Maybe this marriage happened months ago. But because of the pride, it's giving me pride, it's giving me the vibe of jealousy. Like, how can this rat get married before me? Who is he? Because before he went to this Echo Bunch podcast, like he's been, hammering on that, thinking that Pella will fall for his nonsense. But Pella didn't fall. Pella went ahead and married the woman he loves. And now he's coming out with all this wedding picture. Who leaked it? Who leaked it? It's AI. Okay, one time he said it's AI. One time he said the person that leaked this video is all he's doing, if you ask me, from the look of it. He did it to show that, I have married, oh. But he didn't know that the thing will come. Maybe he knew that the thing will come collapsing in his face. The thing clashed. I heard that people are reporting his page now. I don't know if they've taken down the page, but people report the page because I don't know. He's teaching nonsense for somebody that have set institutes to like destroy the life of a young man, basically. As in. So let us have a listen. Let us have a listen to what he was saying in the podcast.
Pella and Jarvis, what is it about their relationship that you don't like?
But it vexes you.
It vexes
Me, I feel like they're too young, especially the boy.
Okay.
Too young for marriage responsibility. Okay. So now always they come online, the advisor say, bro, this way they do, you never reach this level of so you are too young for the responsibility where you want to carry. I not get that experience. Because people they say, but you get the money now, but money not enough to lead woman. Once you even see people billionaires to be say they get money, but at the end of the women they use them. So now wisdom and experience they lead woman, not money.
How old is Pella?
I don't know, but I'm not a young boy.
And you don't think you're making a good decision?
Anyway, that is his opinion. In a way, in some sense, I see like sense in what he said. But a marriage that will be broken, I think my husband's mom got married at a very young age, and their marriage is still there. Pet Odoshe got married at a very young age. I think that is why his son Yuen Odoshe also got married early. His marriage is not there. What is his name? Film Lord Leonard got married. He was 45. His marriage is not there. So it doesn't matter when you get married. For me, I think that a man should be at least 27 or 30 before getting married. But that's not the case. But you can see, he said, they pain him, like it's paining me that they are getting married. So it's given that he doesn't want to like not show that he's married, and this Ella boy have gotten married with Jarvis. So I don't know. This is just my thinking. Those guys, just let me know what you think. Because it's just so sudden, like before the wedding, after he has gone to this podcast and see that his plan is not working, that Pella is not listening to him and just carry on with his wedding plans. So yeah, let me know what you think.